Huh, what's with your face? You look like you've just uncovered some massive secret of the universe. But your wallet is still lying there stone cold, not budging even a tiny bit.
I'm wrestling with a super colossal problem for all of humanity right here.
Oh? That sounds insanely intense. Tell me!
Why does the weekend always zoom by as fast as the neighbor's Wi-Fi, while Monday drags on forever like a 2G connection?
That's the brand new mysterious physics law made just for us office workers. It's called the Monday Law of the Working Person.
There's really such a cool law?
Yep. The more fun your weekend, the faster time blasts off like a rocket.
Exactly. No notes. Yesterday I swore I'd clean the room until it sparkled.
And then what?
I opened YouTube and watched a video called Ultra Fast Room Cleaning in just 10 minutes.
Okay, what happened next?
3 hours later, I was still glued to the screen.
Was the room cleaned yet?
Nope.
So, what were you doing for those 3 hours?
Switched to watching 10 ways to live the most minimalist life.
Ah, right. To live minimally, you first have to not clean the room at all.
My room is super minimalist now.
Minimalist how?
All the stuff is piled neatly in one single heap. No more rummaging around everywhere.
Haha, call it minimalism by location. By the way, what time did you wake up this morning?
9 o'clock.
That's pretty early.
9 p.m. Actually,
Why?
just kidding. For real, it was 10 a.m.
Then why didn't you reply when I texted at 8 a.m.?
I was still sound asleep then.
What about at 9?
Still sleeping.
Sure.
Seriously debating whether I should keep sleeping.
So, at 10:30?
Deep in profound thought.
You think way too hard.
That was the most important decision of the whole Sunday.
And the result?
I just kept sleeping until 11:30.
Wow, what incredibly clear and detailed planning.
But this morning, I did something super productive.
What was it?
I cooked an artistic bowl of instant noodles.
Oh my God, you sound like a CEO bragging about a billion-dollar project.
I'm serious. Cooking instant noodles is a refined art.
What kind of art?
The art of timing it exactly 3 minutes for perfect doneness.
Did you manage it?
Not even close.
Why not?
Because I was scrolling TikTok and completely forgot.
And then?
I suddenly remembered 8 minutes later.
How did the noodles turn out?
Soft and mushy like a profound life philosophy.
Could you eat them?
Of course.
Were they good?
Not really. But it was the result of absolute patience.
Patience for what?
Patience to swallow them down.
Anyway, did you enjoy sitting in the park this weekend?
Totally. It was awesome.
I love just sitting here chatting about random stuff like this.
Yeah. At home it's just me and that pile of stuff I haven't cleaned.
That pile must miss you so much.
Probably. We've been together for a really long time.
Do you ever think you should exercise?
Sure I do.
Then do you actually exercise?
Yes,
What do you do?
I exercise. By thinking about exercising.
Oh my goodness.
Thinking about how I'll really start tomorrow.
Then your thinking must be super fit.
My brain is developing at lightning speed.
I don't see anything from the outside.
It's all deep inside.
Look at those people jogging over there.
Nothing special about it.
Have you ever gone jogging?
Sure.
When?
When the bus doors close and it's about to take off.
Did you catch it?
Nope.
Then why run?
So the bus knows I gave it my absolute best.
The bus must have been so touched it cried.
I can only hope.
But I think there's something really nice about weekends.
What?
You don't have to rush anything.
Exactly right now.
Just sitting here chatting nonsense already feels so refreshing.
Totally agree.
What if we meet here every weekend from now on?
I'm 100% in.
Why?
Because here, There isn't that messy pile in my room waiting to be minimalized.
Haha. All right. See you next week then.
Deal.
But next week, you have to tell me about your studying during the week.
That sounds kinda dangerous.
I'm super curious to know.
I'm also curious about what I actually learned this week.
So tell me next week, okay?
Fine.
Remember to prepare a proper story.
Don't worry.
Why should I not worry?
Because that story will definitely be super short.
Okay. I've been waiting all week to hear your study story.
I've been waiting all week, hoping you'd forget.
No way.
Your memory is that good?
No. But I remember your funny stories for a really long time.
I feel like I'm being studied like a living specimen.
Exactly. My research topic is the phenomenon of procrastination in study environments.
Well, then I'm clearly the most vivid real-life example.
The textbook case.
All right, here we go. On Monday, I was super determined to study seriously.
Sounds believable.
I opened my laptop,
Then what?
opened my study materials.
Next?
Then I thought,
Thought what?
if I study without music, it's kinda boring.
Fair enough.
So I opened YouTube to find study music.
And then?
A suggested video popped up. Top 10 Secrets of the Universe.
You clicked it, didn't you?
Yep.
And so?
2 hours later, I knew more about black holes.
And the lesson?
Still a mystery of the universe.
Haha. Your interdisciplinary learning is on another level.
Knowledge should be broad.
Broad but not deep.
Don't get too picky.
What about Tuesday?
Tuesday, I was even more determined.
That already sounds risky.
I went to the library,
Oh, clear progress.
sat there very seriously,
Then?
opened the book,
Next?
read the first page.
That's it.
After that,
You fell asleep, right?
no,
Then what did you do?
I contemplated life.
About what?
Why library chairs are so incredibly comfortable.
And you fell asleep?
Yep,
How long?
1 hour.
Did anyone wake you?
Yes,
Who?
my own head slamming into the table.
That's the most effective natural alarm ever.
Extremely accurate.
What about Wednesday?
Wednesday, I studied in a group.
Ah, that must have been effective.
Very effective.
What did you learn?
3 great restaurants near campus.
I knew it.
We had a very lively discussion.
About food?
Exactly.
And the actual lesson?
We all agreed to study another day.
Such a united group.
Team spirit through the roof.
On Thursday, you must have studied for real?
I did.
Really?
Really.
How long?
20 minutes.
Oh,
Then I rewarded myself with a 2-hour break.
the break to study ratio is a bit high.
That's called work-life balance.
Your version of balance leans completely toward rest.
But my spirit was excellent.
What about the actual work?
Excellent spirit is the most important thing.
Friday?
On Friday, I realized a truth.
What truth?
The upcoming test.
Finally woke up.
I immediately opened the book to study.
Good.
But there was one problem.
What problem?
I read 3 lines.
I had net of they.
But I didn't understand anything.
Why?
Because, while reading, my mind was thinking about dinner.
You were studying, but your brain was on food?
My brain is an expert at multitasking.
But completely on the wrong task.
Exactly.
So, what's the overall summary of your study week?
I learned one big lesson.
What lesson?
Don't open YouTube before studying.
Anything else?
Don't study when you're sleepy.
More?
Don't study when you're hungry.
Anything else?
Don't study when you have your phone.
So, when do you study?
I'm still researching that.
I get it now.
Get what?
You're conducting scientific research on, not studying.
You really understand me.
But I think you're still doing okay.
How?
At least you're trying.
Trying to think about studying.
That's the first step already.
I believe in slow but steady progress.
How slow?
Extremely slow.
Slower than the neighbor's Wi-Fi?
Even slower.
All right. Next week, tell me something else.
Like what?
Love stories.
Oh,
I think that topic is really interesting.
I feel it's a bit dangerous.
Why?
Because I'm not sure I have enough data.
Don't worry.
Why not worry?
I have tons of questions ready.
Now I'm starting to worry.
Have you noticed?
Noticed what?
There are so many couples in the park on weekends.
Yeah, I saw.
Any thoughts?
Yes,
What thoughts?
they must spend quite a lot on milk tea.
I'm talking about love.
I'm talking about economics.
You're way too practical.
Love needs a solid budget too.
Haha. Okay. Let me ask seriously.
Go ahead.
Have you ever liked someone?
Yes,
Oh, really?
many times.
Many times?
Every time I see delicious food.
Then what?
That's very sincere and deep love.
I doubt how deep your love actually is.
No doubt. I'm extremely loyal to foe. Then,
If you go on a date, the whole time would be about food.
not exactly.
Then what do you talk about?
Ask what the other person likes to eat.
And then?
So next time I can go eat it alone.
Oh my God.
Yeah, what?
Look at them.
Must be newly dating.
They look so happy.
Because they're still smiling a lot.
How do you know?
No. After a while they smile. A little less.
You mean, after a while they smile less?
I observe society.
Sounds like experience.
Experience. From watching movies.
Not from personal experience?
Sure.
Haha. Do you have a type you like?
Someone fun.
What kind?
Easy to talk to.
Yeah.
Not too serious.
Yeah.
And willing to listen to my random stories.
Yeah.
Why familiar?
That sounds familiar.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm doing exactly those things right now.
What about me?
What about you?
Hard to say.
Do you think you're easy to like?
I have a few weaknesses.
Why?
I sleep a lot.
Like what?
I procrastinate a lot.
Yeah.
And I talk nonsense a lot.
Yeah.
But I have strengths too.
I know that one.
I always make people laugh.
What are they?
What about you?
Yeah.
What kind of person do you like?
Me?
Is it that hard?
What kind?
Then tell me.
No.
Okay.
I like someone who makes me laugh.
Yeah.
Someone I feel comfortable talking to.
That sounds familiar.
Someone I can sit with in the park on weekends chatting for hours without getting bored.
Yeah.
Familiar?
Exactly like our current situation.
Familiar how?
Not confidence.
Ha ha, you're so confident.
Logical deduction.
Then what is it?
But pretty accurate.
Your logic is dangerous.
Thought what?
Have you ever thought,
I'd probably feel a bit sad.
what if one day we stop meeting at the park?
Because I wouldn't have anyone to listen to my nonsense stories anymore.
Why?
There's more.
Just that?
I wouldn't have anyone laughing at what I say.
What?
Great idea.
Then let's just keep meeting here every weekend.
Exactly.
This stone bench can be our usual spot.
What next week?
And every week, a new topic.
Sounds just like today.
Random stuff in life.
But talking random stuff with the right person is actually fun.
Well, life is basically all random stuff anyway.
I can be deep sometimes.
Haha, that line was pretty good.
Enough to get by.
Sometimes.
What?
You know what's interesting?
True.
The best conversations are usually the ones with no plan beforehand.
Then laugh.
You just sit down and start talking.
Then forget about time.
Then tell more stories.
Why?
You're right.
That fast?
We've been sitting here almost 2 hours already.
That's the weekend law.
Way too fast.
Time flies when you're talking to someone interesting.
What law?
Maybe.
You're doing logical deduction again?
Same time next week?
Or maybe. It's true.
Same time?
Agreed.
And the same. Random stories.
Same bench.
Really fun.
But fun ones